Hello, cyber nails! Today we are gonna paint oranges with a translucent effect. First thing you have to do is to seal your nail with matte top coat. After that, I will use the ink art in orange color. Make sure your coat looks even. This will give you the jelly effect that everyone is talking about. With a detailer brush, I'm going to draw half-moon oranges all over the nail. Don't forget to draw the little triangles in between the oranges. The trick is to use different colors of orange, yellows, and reds to give them a realistic look. Once that you are happy with the way they look, apply gel top coat all over the nail and cure. Now, with the sculpting gel, make the pulp of the orange one by one. Cure them and wipe up the sticky layer with 100% alcohol. We are done! You are all set! Wasn't this easy? And remember, if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. See you next week! Besos en pura vida!